guys want to see how I got this color, then keep on watching. So as you can see by the title, I will be dyeing my hair blonde, or I guess blonde, but I will be using these two boxes. Both of them are by Creme of Nature. One is C20 light golden brown, and the other one is C43 lightest blonde. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep both boxes. I think I remember pretty much how it goes, but I'm not sure, so let me read these instructions. Definitely know I'm going to need these. So, let's see. In the box, it comes with, it comes with this little bottle. I don't know if y'all can see that. It comes with this little bottle, this little liquid stuff, and then this is just some conditioner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the tip off. Okay. All right, so then I'm just going to pour this in here. Let's get started. So I am going to start with the back, and I'm going to apply that dark color, the light brown on the darkest part of my hair. So it's gonna be like kind of like an ombre color. I don't want to do fully blonde because I just don't think that would sit well with me. I just don't think I'll be cute with it, but like a nice little ombre, you know, color I think would be cute or whatever. So yeah. Alright, so I am done with the darkest part of my hair in the back, applying the light golden brown. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put a mind you, I hadn't touched the ends yet because my ends are lighter. I know the blonde isn't gonna take long to process, so I'm going to do my whole hair with the light golden brown, and then I'll go back when I'm done with that and apply the blonde. So I'm gonna put this I'm going to put this shower cap on my head to kind of let the heat process the brown in the back a little more. And I'm going to work on the front. Alright, so I'm going to take the front and wrap it up, and I'm just kind of go over. I'm gonna redo the back only because I feel like I didn't get each section good enough. So I'm gonna just take the extra that I have and go back over the back. Alright, so I'm just going to put my shower cap back on, let this cook or set while I prepare for my blonde color. So yeah, okay, so this packet came with 3 things. Came with this, which came with the first 2, and then it came with this. Alright, so I actually may need to read the instructions for here. I mean, if I had to guess, I would just add it all together, right? I cannot read Spanish, so. Open this and put it in the bottle as well. Oh shit. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the bag. Yeah, I'm so scared. Like, whoo! If this don't come out right, or my hair fall out, don't try this at home. I wasn't too much worried about the other color, but this color, I'm like, it always scares me. So, let's see. Ooh, look at that girl. Curls popping. Okay. Yes. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cover my hair. That heat the traffic, you know. Alright, and I am done with that. Took me about 35 minutes to apply the whole thing to my hair. So now I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes. I'm going to come back and check on it and see if I see any changes. See in a few. Okay guys, so it's been about 12 minutes. I think I had like 3 minutes left on my timer that I set. So I went ahead and put a Walmart bag. What? So I am going to see what is going on. Ah! Ah! Alright, so I don't want this to get any brighter than what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. I'll be back. By the way, I will be using this Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Shampoo for normal hair or whatever. So yeah, let's get this washed out. Okay guys, so I washed my hair and I am just like, if you look at this, like it's like really pretty, but when I take it all down it's a bit much for me. Like I'm just like okay, so here it is. Actually, it really don't look that bad. I actually like it a lot. So yeah, and like I washed my hair and my hair was feeling really dry, but like once I more conditioned it and stuff, I actually let the conditioner that comes in the pack sit while, you know, do some stuff around the house. So yeah, this is the results, guys. Yeah, let me know what y'all think of this video. Like I really feel like this would be like a bomb like wash and go. Like what y'all think? Anyway, I need to style my hair, so you guys comment what you guys want my second hairstyle to be, because I'm probably about to find something to do to it right now while I edit this video and upload. So that'll be my first hairstyle. Maybe I'll make a video about that, but I'll let you guys pick my second one. So go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe to this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.